myself the movement oils, and we are doing an application for tenderness. However, if you have a migraine, you might want to think about control, or if you're going to sleep, you want rest. If you want more for stress, you want tranquil. There's different ways of using the combinations of oils to your needs. I'm just showing you how to add movement to change the way you respond to your movements. So with tenderness, now I don't want to necessarily give them a head full of oils, so I'm just going to sort of draw a section instead of putting drops that might go into his head, the hair. And I'm just going to apply towards the temple. This is where you really can offer a really delicate movement lesson. Now I know it really looks like, or it might look like, that I'm not doing much other than applying a fingerprint and leaving it. But to exaggerate, this is the movement of the head, the hands and the head, and also I really am using all 10 fingers with this move. I would say that the thumb is guiding it, but all fingers are kind of going in the same momentum of movement. One of the things I'm looking for, he does nicely, is he's crossing midline with the nose. So in other words, the top of his nose or the brow of his eyes is crossing midline, flagging midline. We fatigue, we grow old, we do things, and I'm really just trying to use this movement just to open up and let his eyes, all the ocular muscles, nasal cavities, forehead, pressure of the brain, to just work on just that stimuli of just that crossing midline versus trying to use muscles. You see it with me more so because I'm light sensitive with the blue eyes, but the furrow in my face, the wrinkles there, and that happened. But you really, people that have had glasses, which he's had for a long time, you really want to offer that opportunity again, that they can just cross midline. Just to show what this movement is like with just the thumbs and the whole hands. But really, like tissue paper, I'm not grabbing his head and doing this. You can see the difference in the movement versus just elongating that nice long touch. Feel the difference? Thanks for using movement oils. I hope they add to your life and your benefits and your movements. See you in the next video.